Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to log out ShopPay account. So if you also want to log out ShopPay account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Shop application. You can see over here Shop application is opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. Here you'll be able to see several stores and you'll be able to see several products. You can shop your favorite products from your favorite stores in ShopPay. So if you want to log out of your account, all you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here your account page is opened. Scroll down. Here you'll be able to find the options for favorites, support and settings. All you have to do is tap on the settings option. Now you'll be led to the settings interface. You can see several options over here. At last you'll be able to see the option for sign out. All you have to do is tap on it. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. You'll have to enter your email to access your delivery information again. You can see two options over here, cancel and sign out. If you change your mind, simply tap on the cancel option. But if you want to log out of your account, simply tap on the option sign out. Now you can see over here you've been logged out from ShopPay account. So that is how you log out ShopPay account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.